What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. As we all know that new update for Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is available right now, and here I'm talking about the Wear OS 3.2 update, which is 670 megabyte in size. I'll suggest you guys not to update right now, as a lot of people are facing too many bugs with this update and some have seen massive drop in their battery life. Samsung is working on this update and a fix will be out pretty soon, so until then enjoy your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 without updating, as nothing special is present with the new update apart from few watch faces and some workout features. Okay, now let's talk about the bugs. The first known bug with this update is related to daily activity tile. For a lot of people this tile is not updating information. You can try to restart the watch, but it may solve this issue for a short time. Next issue is regarding always on display mode on third-party watch faces like Watchmaker, where always on display mode does not turn off while using raise to wake feature, and also it has some dimming issues as well. In the same way, always on display mode is not updating time even with stock watch faces, so that's a big problem if you use AOD mode a lot. Next bug is related to calendar complications which appear blank when you tap on them, and in the last touch to wake is not working in power saving mode. So these are some of the known bugs, but few people have reported massive battery drain on their Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. For me, battery issue is not present, but other issues like problems with AOD mode and daily activity tile is definitely bugging my Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic. So guys, this was the video on do not update your Samsung Watch 4 right now. Wait for the new update, and with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.